We got our little green tomatoes coming, getting bigger and bigger every day.
Drop it down first. If you go, you push it, then you're gonna break it.
She does the most of the planting. I do the picking of the plants and the cooking of different things.
I need a little more, please. Dirt, please. She's the cook, and I'm the gardener. We had 7 in our family, and that growing your own vegetables was a key to keeping your bellies full. When I'm in the store, I always look at young people because what I see in their carts, they have junk food. I very seldom see vegetables.
I think there's a sense of pride being a Fort Wayne local, getting to take care of Fort Wayne. We think, okay, in Fort Wayne, Allen County, we're a big city. We shouldn't have food deserts, but we do. We very much do.
More than 95% of the fruits and vegetables that a Hoosier eats comes from out of state. Amongst all this agriculture, that's really surprising. In the region that our organization serves, which is an 11-county region, there are over 100,000 people who are food insecure, especially in an area like this where there's so much farmland. People are growing so many things. To know that you've got a neighbor that doesn't have enough food, it's unbelievable.
People think food insecurity doesn't happen near them. Coming from a clinical background, I saw that there was a gap in access, but then also understanding.
You gravitate towards what's nearby and what's convenient, and unfortunately, those aren't always the healthiest options.
Meals of convenience are often high in fat and unhealthy fats. That leads to cardiovascular disease, resulting in heart attack and stroke. In creating food deserts, we're doing a disservice to generations. And those risks that we're developing carry with you for life.
Originally, VeggieRx started as a small pilot program within Parkview, serving a pretty small number of patients back in 2019.
VeggieRx is a produce prescription program, and it is a food as medicine initiative. We are able to offer access and education to those that are food insecure with a diet-related chronic illness.
Eating healthy is the foundation. We need proper nutrients, we need proteins, we need fats, we need carbs. Those are the building block of what we are made of as humans. Programs like VeggieRx help open this world that I can't write per se on a prescription pad, that I can't put in a pill bottle.
One of the main goals of the Food Network is also to support our local growers and producers.
My true love, my father used to grow tomatoes, and he got me hooked. Hard work and dirt, that's where all this comes from. And it's all because of the people that here at this farm. Somebody's working hard to put that stuff on the table for you. I generally do 2 different markets, and people just pour in.
A patient receives a card in the mail from Fresh Connect, which is how they would access their fresh fruits and vegetables. And they can go shopping.
It didn't take long for word to get out.
We went from having 3 farm stands using paper vouchers to over 70 redemption locations in the city of Fort Wayne.
They don't only help feed people, they contribute a lot from an economic perspective.
Since 2022, we have seen an economic impact of $220,000 going back into the local economy through VeggieRx redemption. A simple prescription for fresh fruits and vegetables has been so effective. The community loves it and the providers love it as well.
As a physician, I click a button and put in a referral. You get 6 months worth of produce along with programming.
Providing access, but then what? What do I do with the product that I'm getting? And so we have classes specific to help patients understand, 1, their health condition, 2, how do I utilize fresh produce?
VeggieRx helps reduce the risk for our participants of trying something new. They're right here in our learning kitchen.
Vicki and Marsha were perfect examples of successful patients that went through the program.
I saw it was a connection. VeggieRx is a complete program. They help you get the vegetables. They show you what vegetables are good and how they can help you, and show you how to prepare them. Then you can make a meal, a healthy meal that will fill you up.
Even now, we're still getting referrals, and when we ask people like, "Oh, how did you hear about the program?" It's because of Vicki and Marcia.
Patients then connect on a different level with their provider.
It allows me to have a conversation about healthy diet and then not feel hopeless that I can't do anything about it, where I can refer them to the program and help my patients actually be successful.
Nutrition incentive programs, VeggieRx, those go a long way in closing the gap, and these solutions do work.
Numbers improve, cholesterol improves, blood sugar improves.
Wellness visits increase and ER visits decrease.
We've seen lower A1C values among our participants who have a diabetes diagnosis. We've seen lower blood pressure values across our cohorts as a whole.
We've seen patients that have said, I've lost weight, which has helped me move more. We've had a patient that has said, like, this program has helped me get a job because I'm healthier and I feel better. We've seen the improvement it makes on the whole community. It's not just changing one person, it's changing the community itself.
Parkview sees the value in creating healthier communities. And so by creating spaces like community kitchens, the greenhouse, we're actually showing what that can be. Living authentically as an organization, saying, yeah, these are the basic needs of our community, and we're here and we're invested, and we want to make this a reality. Because healthcare is more than just a prescription pad. It's truly being a community presence, creating access, creating an environment that's safe to learn.
And you're never too old to learn. We live in this neighborhood, this is an international neighborhood. My neighbors there, they speak no English, but when we get vegetables, papayas, we take it to them, and we have a language. We give it to them, and they'll and say they love you from their heart. So that's what makes us keep going. That's how life should be.